the past month there has been a beautiful concert in Treviso, the Planet Funk concert. After the concert there was an after party at the Tortuga Club, and at the Tortuga Club I had the pleasure of mixing and playing a back-to-back set with another artist who I never met before, and this guy is Shkedul. And here and there he actually recognized me because I played a set with Marco Zangrando, a friend we have in common, and you've probably seen Marco's set on our YouTube channel. And I was happy to meet him and talking about music and discovering about what we do and exchanging thoughts. It comes out that he runs a label. And I didn't connect the dots when I was speaking with him, and asked him, so what's the name of the label? He goes, Nord Limited. I said, Nord Limited. It rang some bells, but I couldn't really connect. And then I realized that I actually love this label, and I pre-ordered the 8th release of Nord Limited, which I received shortly after I played this back-to-back with him. So it was very nice to exchange thoughts and mixing back-to-back with Shkedul. And I think most importantly, I think it was like the surprise in finding out that he actually runs Nord Limited. And the one that I'm about to play is the 8th and last release of Nord Limited. This is the number 8, and the track I'm going to play is Primitivo. The whole release is fantastic. There are 4 tracks. I'm going to also share the cover then after playing the record, so you can grab a screenshot or you can find out more about Shkedul. I'm going to also drop a link in case you want to order a copy of this record. And since I'm losing my voice, I'm not going to spoil it, and I'm going to let you enjoy this fantastic release. This is Shkedul. Primitivo is the title of the track. This is Nord Limited, and this is the 8th release. Enjoy!